Yeah, hello. This is for all of my new subscribers and subscribers. I'm just putting this video up there. I have a question. I have a video right now that I just got done. I just did a big ride to over by Club 37 in Baldwin, Michigan, which is a really big ATV trail area. Uh, the video is an hour and 31 minutes. How many people out there, if you could leave a comment and hit the like, would actually like to watch a video? Or should I take that hour and 31-minute video and change it down to 20-minute videos? Reduce it into 20-minute segments. Can you let me know? I had the video actually made. It wouldn't be that hard to edit it down to 20-minute segments, but this is just a question I'm putting out there. So this is Trail Rider 570. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, if you're new to my channel, if you will, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future updates. And I haven't been putting videos out. Last Tuesday, we had put my son's dog down, who me and him picked out when he was a puppy. He had cancer. So it's been kind of a hard time because they're not just dogs, they're our family members. And he'll be greatly missed, but he was in towards the end had a lot of issues. So, but that's why I haven't been putting a lot of videos. The videos I've been putting out are ones I've had edited and saved up. There'll be some new riding videos soon. So, thanks very much for watching, and I will see you on my next ride. Bye bye. I think I will. Here we go.